Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. And Yong and Yakshimash. Chesh. Today is my birthday. As you can see behind me, I have my birthday cards. Thank you very much, everybody, for all your gifts. I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much. So this is my gift from Hubbilux for my birthday. Something that I really did want for the workshop. It'll make life a lot easier for me, having the tools all in one place. So I have brought some tools. I'm not sure what I'm going to need yet. I haven't even opened the box, as you can see. So I'm going to open the box and take a look and see what is inside. Right, so there's no box in a box. You open this box and here are the parts. Oh, I'm going to love this colour. You're going to love this colour as well. So just put the scissors to one side. So I have some bits there. I don't know how much assembly this thing requires. Because a lot of it is put together, I just don't know how much of it. So what I'm going to do is tip it upside down and empty it out. This way. Ugh. I'm going to have to stand up for this. Okay, so I need to undo the tape here. Remove the wrappings. Something's worrying me. There's a key here. There's one part. There's the wheels. Ah, right, okay. Remove the side panel. Remove side panel. Right, okay, I have to remove the side panel. So, I was wondering, where's the rest of it? Now I see where it is, because I was like, oh my gosh, this is very small, but now I see the top bit is actually inside the, right, okay. Let's have a look. Remove side panel, remove screws with a screwdriver, and remove the chest. Then put the caster wheels on, and we're done. Okay, that seems pretty easy. So what I need to do is get a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so I've got myself a little screwdriver. So I'm going to take this side panel off, because I was worried when I took it out to the box. I was like, where's the rest of it? I was like, oh gosh, is it one of those things where the advertising sort of like looks like you're having the whole thing but you're not? So there we go. Take the side panel off, and there is a piece of foam. So now I'm going to pull out the chest.
You have to take the key out.
Yeah.
Sticking out.
I'll take the key out, but
It's not screwed in anywhere else, is it?
oh yeah, there's 4 screws here at the side. Duh.
That's quite clever, really. That's for the, halves the size of the packaging for it.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, definitely. I love the colour on it because these came in lots of different colours, and I chose this colour because I thought it's nice and bright. I mean, there's no way we could afford a snap-on. Plus, I'm not really running a huge garage anyway, so I don't need a snap-on. But it's very snap-on-esque. So take these screws out. Right, let's try it now. Yay! Oops.
It's the key.
Oh, hang on.
That's it.
Take the chest out. Ugh.
Watch out for the handle. That's why it's sitting like that.
Oh, my gosh. So I'm gonna actually I won't put the side panel in there. I'll put the wheels on just in case I need to get access. And there's 4 keys, 4 wheels. Lovely big wheels with on and off operating on 2 of them. So they go on the front and the other ones go on the back. Right. So the casters literally just screw in.
That one goes in the front, doesn't
Yep.
it?
It says in the instructions, if caster assembly fit is loose, using a screwdriver, slightly spread apart, split bearing on shaft. If caster fit tight, crimp split bearing slightly with pliers, make only slight adjustments. And then there's Joey, who wants to go in the box. So what I need is just a cloth or something so I can grip this to tighten it up when it's in. Hopefully the casters on it will be fine.
Yeah, touch a cloth that match the colour.
Hey, top. I thought this colour was very me.
Pink.
It's not pink. You can't get the pink ones actually. The pink and grey ones look really smart. So I'm just going to put the rest of these casters on. So I've put the side panel back on. These are hooks that hook into the side here so that you can hang things off. Cat treats. There's also this side panel. Has this hooky thing on it, so if I do it like this, that hooks onto the side. So I'll pop the 4 screws here, and there's holes in here so you can put your screwdrivers in like that. These are for the drawers, they're separated, I'm sure. So I'm going to take the toolbox.
That's really good.
And pop that on the top. There. I'm going to take the key off the thread. There we go. So you remove these.
Locked, is it?
And then you have all these drawers. So there's the top one is 3. And these are all on bearings. They're a bit stiff, but it's because it's new. With the soft cloths on the inside. Drawer here. Move down to here. We have a deeper drawer, again with the protective insert. This side here. And then this then is the cupboard with the swing door. And then that folds back. So I've got a storage area there. These are the dividers. So I'm sure these are somewhere for dividing.
You link them. Like, yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, so these are the dividers then for dividing up, which I'm not going to use right now. Pop the keys in there, put that in there, and I got some spare screws. I don't know what these screws can be then used for because I can't put them back in, but there are the holes underneath here for it, but I thought there might have been a way of securing this box on top of here, but there isn't, but it doesn't matter. So there we go, that is my very, very handy, useful toolbox. Now I'm not going to be using this side panel because this is going to be used directly on the workbench. I'm going to move one of the work units up, and then this is going to slide in, so I will have easy access to tools and parts all the time. That must only lock it when you've got the bars in. Can't lock the bottom, but you can lock the top. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I really, really love the colour of it as well. I think it's excellent. Can't wait to get that into the garage, which I'm going to do now. I'm just going to take these hooks off the side. don't want to end up catching myself on it. Pop them in there. And with these lovely casters, it makes it nice and easy to move around. And then with handles on either side, I can lift up and take this toolbox. So there we go, done and dusted. I hope you like my t-shirt, by the way. This is another gift for me by Hubby Lux. This is the classic Space Lego logo, because he collects that. So I'll put a couple of videos in of that as well at some point in the future for you guys to see if you're interested in a Lego.
The royalties would be cheap.
Yeah. So this isn't absolutely massive. It's quite a nice size. I do like it. It's manoeuvrable and very good money. I think it was under 100 quid. It was like 85. It was like £85 for this, so well worth it. Fantastic. So there we go, that's unboxing my birthday present. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. Just a little short one for you guys today, and I'll see you soon. Bye!